1. Install and activate the BlockWheels plugin. Let's add an accordion block to the page. Edit the page where the accordion is to be placed. Scroll to the section of the page where you want to add the accordion. To add the accordion block, click on the plus icon. Click on the Browse All button to view all blocks and then search for BlockWheels. Find and click on Accordion to add the accordion block. Now you can add your accordion heading and description. To add more accordion items, select Accordion Block and click on the plus icon and update the heading and description. When you are done with accordion item content, select the accordion block and click on the spotlight icon to customize. Click on the title drop-down to select font family. Modify letter case size. Set font and background color as you like, and modify the heading padding. Similarly, click on the content drop-down to select font family. Modify letter case size. Set font and background color as you like, and modify the content padding. Furthermore, you can modify the container margin and add custom CSS classes. For responsive customization, click on the spotlight icon, then select the device you want to view the accordion block. Click on the device icon to customize accordion properties. Modify the size and padding of the heading and content. Edit container margin and add custom CSS class if required. And done! In this way, we can add the accordion block to our website.